So that's, hopefully you guys can see me, that's two Goodwills. Northridge, Santa Monica. Now I'm over here, I don't know if you guys can see it behind me. There's a Marshall's here, so while she's taking care of business there, I'm about to go over here and just take a quick glance to see what we see at Marshall's. We've definitely been here before. It's catching, it's hit or miss like everything else. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the video. If you are, smash the like button. Let's go ahead inside this Marshall's, you dig? Walking in the beautiful place as always. Open the door, open sesame. There we go. Open sesame. Yep. See these things right here? I don't have the money for it right this second, but I will come back to it unless it's not $20. These go all day. Like I was saying, I got interrupted with my phone call, but these right here, a very good high ASIN. I bought these before for $19.99, like 20. So they went for like 49. Very, very dope. Trying to get some more of those. You gotta check all the different appliances. I checked these before, but they didn't really pop up when I tried them. I'm gonna go ahead and look around some more for what I came here for. And of course, here's another one. Let's see if they got a price tag on this one. Yeah, still $19, which is a good price point for it. I just was hoping I could get it for cheaper, you know what I'm saying? The cheaper the better, the cheaper the better. This could be something to check out. Let me go see what's going on with these shoes though. I'm on a time limit. I was smart. I gave myself a time limit today. I got things going on, so I don't want to be too long. Let's see what we can find and go through in that time frame, you feel me? This one right here is a hit or miss. I found some good stuff one time, didn't find stuff the other time. We got some hovers on deck in front of us, some more of these Nikes. What's that, $39 on those? What kind of Pumas is in here? Okay. These are not bad. These are not bad. Viewers out there watching, what do you think about these in the comment section below? 29 bucks for them? I'm not mad at that. Cop pass, fire, or trash. For the sake of all the pictures and stuff, we gotta go like this. You know, the pictures and the video. I want y'all to see the price point and everything going on. Follow me on Instagram if you guys want to see more pictures of what I come across. You feel me? Like I said, when you go to Marshall's, even though these are D-Reps, we're not happy with those. You got to go ahead and check the things that are below it because some places don't have everything on display. Okay, these are on display. We'll check those out right now. Some more D-Reps. Utilities. I like the utility Vapor Maxes. These ones, not too bad. 49 bucks. I feel like these might retail for a little more. What's the suggested thing? 100? I think they're probably more than that. Toms. What's the deal with Toms, man? I've been seeing a lot more of those. Then we got these Crocs, $16.99. I actually have a pair up, trying to see how they do it. Summertime, more and more people should be trying to cop those things. What are these? Are these golf shoes? Are these golf shoes? These are pretty nice. Nike Course Classic. I believe these might be golf shoes. They retail at $110. They got them for 18 bucks. 18 bucks as opposed to 60. I think that's a good little price right there. You know, I do these things, man. I'm still newer to it, so I got things I'm trying to make sure they sell before I just continue to load up my inventory. But if I see something that's like hard to pass up, then I have to make an action on it, you know what I'm saying? We've been seeing these all day at Marshall's, $59. You need to lower that price, especially for a Marshall's thing. But like I said, you know, it's being smart. You gotta get the deals that you can, but you also want to, you know, put yourself in any type of holes because you just always got to be ready for the next opportunity. You lock up all your money in inventory, big old size. You won't be able to make moves when things happen. You know, releases, Kyrie's and stuff like that. And on my main channel, that's what I do. Sneaker YouTuber all day. These are dope. 29 for these. You guys like this colorway more or the other one that we saw? Let me get that one out the box real quick. Where'd it go? Yeah, so we just do all of this. We kind of run the stores how we want to, respectfully. Which colorway would you guys like more of these Pumas? Both of them are pretty dope. I would probably go with the Michigan colorways, if you will. Big ass Curry right here. I'm good on those. They got them at 15 and 12. Some more Curries here. Curries all day. Roshi runners, 39 bucks. All right, these are Roshis. Oh no, Tunjins. My bad. Reebok Classics, 34. I like the colorway on these. Make me feel like an Air Max, Air Span 2. 39 bucks on those. Size 11. 13.9 going on here. I like this color combination though. That's pretty dope. Perfect for the summertime. Perfect for right now. Gives you like a Air Max 90 and a New Balance look. This one right here, not too bad. 39 bucks. Also 39 on those. See what else is going on here. Some more Under Armours. I'm liking this model right here. 49 bucks. I wish they lowered it a little bit more, but that model is pretty dope. If you're a fan of it, let me know. 39 for those. We got some nice color Alpha Bounces in like this gold going for 49. Does it got Continental outsole? That's a top-notch Alpha Bounce. How many people out there are fan of Alpha Bounces, own any pair of them? These New Balances, bruh, some of the colorways that they're coming with in this New Balance, this model right here, this 247. You know me, I always gotta drop a shoe, right? I always gotta drop a shoe like every video. These ones are not bad, bro. Not bad. Nice little sporty look for the New Balance fans out there. 39 bucks on those, right? And we're gonna scoop on over here to the other side. Excuse the kids in the background crying. You know how that goes. Not too bad. 34 bucks on those. What else we got going on here? Oh, got them in the white colorway. Got them in the black colorway, both $34. They got these Spectrums, the Puma Thunder Spectrums. Boom. Reebok Classics, 34 bucks, black and white colorway. Another 247 in a different type of colorway. And I feel like the material is different from the other 247, no? In the front, yeah, it is. Definitely. The netting is definitely different on these 247s. Different models, same number, I guess, right? Not too mad at those, though. And you got these Air Force One boots here for 39 bucks. What do you guys think about those in the comment section below? Cop pass, fire, or trash on anything you see in here? Of course, that's the question of the day, as always. What is everybody out there liking? We saw these here last time. Didn't think that they would sell out, so I'm not surprised that they are still here. If you like them, though, what do you think about them? They look like they could be something. You know what I'm saying? Maybe I have to try to look them up just to see what's going on with them. You hear that noise? That shit's, what the hell is that? Plastic? Then you got these New Balances, 34. Been seeing these all over the place. 59 bucks. Been seeing these still at retail stores for regular retail price. They need to come down on these at Marshall's, I would think. Some more Curries. Oh, it's this red color Curry right here. Okay. Not a fan really of any of the Curries that I've seen. This one's included in it. Curry's been balling out, trying to hold his team down right now. Nobody's feeling sorry for them, though. 39 bucks, 40 bucks for these. Not too bad. Another 247 colorway, navy blue. Boom, boom. Curry should wrap it up. This blue Curry, we definitely seen it plenty of times before at 39 bucks. And they got it again in the navy blue colorway. It's not bad, man. So just tell me so far, anything good, something that you have grabbed and took home for yourself or flipped. Let me know in the comment section below. Hopefully the camera's cool. I don't have my tripod today, so you gotta forgive me. We're gonna go over here to the last two aisles, which include clearance shoes as well as things that's here on the shelf. Wow, this is different. Nike Zoom action on here. Nike Zoom Vapor. Oh, is this like the shoe that was supposed to be combining with the Kyrie's? This is not the Kyrie Wow, let me know. Let me know in the comment section. I believe this is. Kyrie had a collab with a tennis player. It was a Vapor mixed with a Kyrie. Low. Pretty dope. Didn't get a chance to get my hands on them. These are not bad though. 49 bucks price point, and they retailed for 140. What do you guys think about those in the comment section below? Right next to it, we got some Adidas Heat. Nike or Adidas, which one are you guys going with out of these two right here? Pick. $49 for these. The little socks things. These are fire, bro, and they've definitely been flirting the Marshalls a lot more. The price point is too high for what I'm trying to do right now. You know, I like to buy them at a lot lower than this and sell them for higher. You know, that whole retail thing, as we all do. If you're watching, you know what it is. So you got to get it for the lowest price point. Some things, if it's just something I can't resist, then I will pull the trigger. But these are things that I'm not tripping off of. All of these shoes right here are pretty dope. Not really worth the time right now. You know what I'm saying? As far as like getting them out there and how much they would cost. I would probably be sitting on them for like a week or two, maybe longer. I'm not trying to do that. Everything else that I'm doing through FBA and stuff, you know, you get it, you send it right in. Even though it might not sell right away, it's not in your house sitting. I got a few shoes already at the crib, as you guys have already seen if you've been watching. So I do have a little bit of inventory, you know, and I don't ever want to have too much inventory. These Huaraches in this colorway is fire. Comes with the extra laces and the little adjustments for the side panels. 49 bucks for those, and they got a pretty good size run of them too, depending. Let me just look down here real quick to see what this is, because like I said, you look down, you never know what it is. Okay, that's not done. You just never know what it is. Sometimes if you just don't check out and see, they got them in 2 different colorways. Both of them 49. Which one would you guys go for? They both come with extra laces, full packaging, $49 as opposed to the 70 retail that they suggest right here. But I believe on the box they go for 120. So I don't know. I haven't really seen anybody making a pull on those, but maybe you would. Let me know in the comment section below. They got some of these Under Armour cleats for 19 bucks. These aren't bad. Not sure what kind of cleats they are. These are not track cleats. Maybe they're soccer cleats. I don't know. $19 on those though. Haven't had a great luck with the soccer cleats yet. Boom. Now they have them here. Size 11 and 12 and 13. If you guys have been rocking with me for a while from the beginning, I had got maybe like 3 size 12s, 3 size 9s. They kind of sat, even though the season's coming around the corner. Maybe I should have waited, but like I said, I don't have patience. At least not right this second. I'm trying to make these things happen, bro. What are these? Oh, we definitely seen these before. These are pretty crazy, right? Cop pass, fire or trash on these cleats. I think they're also going for 16, and they retail for 130. These are like a Mamba type of thing, bro. I don't know. We're gonna look these up and see if there's anything going on. But let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section below, and if this is something you would have tried to make a move on. They look pretty fire though. Under Armour cleats, Under Armour cleats. These Vapor cleats are pretty dope. I picked up a black pair of these. It was a size 18, so that was probably a dumb choice. These are pretty dope though, with the little bedazzle Nike swoosh. They got them in purple also. Cop pass, fire or trash. And then what about those? Now this is probably one of the steals, bro. This is retail arbitrage 101. Nike golf shoes are really popping right now, bro. Damn, this is why I said I don't like to get caught up with inventory, because you need to have money to spend when you find opportunities like this. Look at the materials on these golf cleats. I'm gonna look these things up, and I swear I'm gonna be disappointed. I don't have 29 for these. I don't. But I bet you they're going for like, they retail at 180. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm about to start sweating. Damn, that's fucking bullshit. Sorry to cuss y'all. That's crazy. So as I'm waiting, as I'm about to leave, I see that they're coming out here to restock some more stuff. But I can't tell if it's anything I want. I don't think it is. I see Nautica footwear. Los Angeles, anything, Puma, P&A, I don't know what that is. Probably nothing here for me at this time. So like I said, man, I found a lot of good shoes here. Let me know what you guys think is the best find. I really wish I could have got them golf shoes. I might be back in the area tomorrow. If they're here, I can swoop them. I see a couple of resellers in the building, so I don't know if they're into that stuff too. So we're gonna see, man. But I'm about to get out of here. It's been great. Stay tuned for the next video. Like, comment, share the video so more people can see it. And of course, subscribe if you are new. It's your boy Bobby Thrift. I'm out of here. Peace.